Step 1. Grab your phone or laptop. Step 2. Watch the video in question. Step 3. Get paid. How easy is that? And here's the best part. You can watch as many videos as you want to and get paid every single time for doing so. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Alright, so as you've heard from that intro guys, today I will show you how you can watch videos and get paid. Now before some of you go and skip ahead of the video, hear me out. This is not a typical way to get paid by watching videos. It's a bit different, and you will need to watch every single second of the video in order to be able to set this up properly. If you just skip ahead, then you won't know what you need to do. You'll just waste your time, and in the end, this won't end up working for you. So please stay patient guys and keep watching because I will explain everything. With that brief disclaimer out of the way, let's now get to the first thing you will need to do, and that will be to head over to YouTube. It's on YouTube where you'll be watching videos and getting paid. But before we get to that part, you will first need to sign into YouTube. To do this, you'll need to click on sign in the upper right corner here. From there, you will proceed to enter in your email address and password so you can log in. In case you don't have a Google account, you will first need to create one. To do that, click on create accounts right over here. On the next page, you will need to enter in all of this info. Your full name in these two boxes, your brand new email address just below, and finally, you will need to type and retype your password as confirmation in these two boxes. And finally, click on next here. You will then proceed to enter in a few bits of info before being able to sign up. Once you log into your YouTube account, on the left hand side here, you will be able to see the explore button and you'll want to click on it. On the next page, you will need to select the gaming. And what this one now do guys is show you the videos in the gaming niche in particular that are doing very well and getting big numbers of views. And it's these very videos that can make us some good money online. The next thing that you guys need to do now is pick on any of these games. Which one you go for doesn't really matter as long as it's popular. And since the gaming niche is so incredibly huge and popular, which game you go for, you can't really make a mistake. In any case, when you choose any of these games, you will now obviously be able to find specific videos. And all of them are getting really big numbers of views, which are rising by the minute. And what you guys now want to do is leave this page and head over to the second website we will be using today in order to get paid. That site is this one here called 7r6.com. This website is a place where you can shorten the links of some of those videos and make money. As you can see down here, you will first create an account. You will then shorten the links to any website out there and you will get paid. As simple as that. Now the reason you will then pay for your shortening links is this. When you shorten a link to any website out there, not just a link of YouTube videos, and when someone clicks on that very link, they will be first redirected to an external page where they will see a bunch of ads. And only after that will they proceed to the destination site. In this way, the website is making money off of ad revenue, which is the way YouTube makes money as well. And the ad revenue is split between the person who shortened the link in this platform, as simple as that. With all of that said, let me now show you what you want to do when you first come onto this site. And as you've just seen before, you need to create an account before you can get paid. And to do that, just click on the sign up button in the upper right corner here. Doing so will bring you to this page here where you will go ahead and enter in your username, email address, and password so you can sign up. You will then tick this box and finally click on the register button below to finish the process. When you log into your brand new account, this is how everything will look. You can see your total number of views here, your total earnings, referral earnings, and finally, average CPM. Now to shorten the link, you just have to click on use shortened link right here and then you will then paste it in this box. And finally, click on shorten below to finish the process. And once you make money from all of those shortened links, you will be able to withdraw it by clicking on the withdraw button to the left here. Now you have an account. You just need to shorten links in order to get paid. And the links we will want to shorten are these YouTube videos. And even though you can copy and shorten links from any one of these videos, here's a pro tip. So you can earn more money, focus on live videos in particular. As I said prior, you don't have to do this, but by focusing on live videos, you will be able to maximize your results. For YouTube to only show you live videos, you just need to click on live here and that's it. The next step is to now open up any of these, for example this one, and to find the URL to the video, just click on share here and now you'll be able to copy the link. You will then head over to this platform and paste it in this box and click on shorten it below to finish the process. What I just showed you guys, you will want to repeat it for like 3 videos to say the least. The more links to different videos you shorten, the more money you'll be able to make. And now that you have shortened a few different links to a few different videos, the only thing missing is your traffic source. You need people to click on your link for you to actually get paid. And so I have 2 awesome traffic sources to share with you. The first one is Steam, and more specifically a forum where people discuss gaming related topics called steamcommunity.com. On here you can find hundreds of thousands of posts about various games, and this site gets millions of visits per month as well. Those 2 features make it the perfect traffic source for us, since in the end, we want to share shortened links to YouTube gaming videos. What you guys would need to do on this site first though is create an account. And once you do that, what you can now do to get clicks on your shortened links is put up a post on this platform where you will share your shortened links. And that's it. You can now sit back and relax while getting thousands upon thousands of clicks on your link. Steam Community, however, is far from the only forum where you can share your shortened links. This one called moose.us is another one. And you can basically do the same thing as you want on Steam Community. Sign up for a free account, put up a post, and share your shortened links and get lots of clicks. As easy as that. From there, you can just sit back, relax, and enjoy the profits. Now with that said, this is it for today's video guys. I hope you did get some value out of it. Please comment down below if this video can help you a lot financially. Then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you in the next videos.